I think it's a good idea. I think it's a good idea. I think it's a good idea. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. My thumb hurts. My thumb hurts. My thumb hurts. We went to the theater. We went to the theater. We went to the theater. The thief ran away. The thief ran away. The thief ran away. She is very thin. She is very thin. She is very thin. I had a strange thought. I had a strange thought. I had a strange thought. I'm really thirsty. I'm really thirsty. I'm really thirsty. It costs $1,000. It costs $1,000. It costs $1,000. She is 13 years old. She is 13 years old. She is 13 years old. He'll be 30 tomorrow. He'll be 30 tomorrow. He'll be 30 tomorrow. I came in third place. I came in third place. I came in third place. The book is thick. The book is thick. The book is thick. That's a nice theme. That's a nice theme. That's a nice theme. I lost the thing you gave me. I lost the thing you gave me. I lost the thing you gave me. He's a deep thinker. He's a deep thinker. He's a deep thinker. Be careful of the thorn. Be careful of the thorn. Be careful of the thorn. My throat feels sore. My throat feels sore. My throat feels sore. I pulled the thread. I pulled the thread. I pulled the thread. Don't throw the ball too hard. Don't throw the ball too hard. Don't throw the ball too hard. The ball was thrown far. The ball was thrown far. The ball was thrown far. We heard a loud thud. We heard a loud thud. We heard a loud thud. I need a thumbtack. I need a thumbtack. I need a thumbtack. That was a thoughtful gift. That was a thoughtful gift. That was a thoughtful gift. The ride was a thrill. The ride was a thrill. The ride was a thrill. I'm thrilled to meet you. I'm thrilled to meet you. I'm thrilled to meet you. We walked through the park. We walked through the park. We walked through the park. He thrust the door open. He thrust the door open. He thrust the door open. I added time to the soup. I added time to the soup. I added time to the soup. I brought a thermos of tea. I brought a thermos of tea. I brought a thermos of tea.